Hello, my name is Shanmuka Vellamchetty. I got an admit from University of California, San Diego for Masters in Intelligent Systems, Robotics and Control. Actually, my undergraduate was from NIT Raipur. It was BTech Computer Science. I graduated with a GPA of 9.09 out of 10. So as it was like I like artificial intelligence, so I opted for this particular course in UCSD, which is basically at the intersection of machine learning and robotics. And the program cost was around like 60 to 65 lakhs, including the living costs as well. I found about this Education Future Info international scholarship program. As I met the eligibility criteria for it, I went ahead and applied. So like there were basically 3 rounds in it. The first round was shortlisting, like there were we just need to attach relevant documents and all. And the second round was essays, and the third round was a video interview. The questions in the interview were like basically directed towards personal achievements and financial background as well. And finally, when I came to know about that I got selected for this scholarship, like I was very happy, and my parents are also really proud, because there were only 3 people that got selected for this scholarship in India out of like 8,000 member applicant pool. So this particular scholarship will definitely help me to pursue my masters with less stress, as it will definitely bolster the financial resources. I also feel that this particular scholarship will also install a sense of responsibility in me. I need to prove the scholarship committee true to having selecting me for this particular scholarship, and hopefully I will be able to do that. And also I will be able to have a positive impact on globe with my research in artificial intelligence. And I have a word of advice for all the aspiring students, that nowadays financial liability is not an abstraction really. It is there are many organizations like this which are generously giving away scholarships for deserved students. So I guess all you need to do is a bit of research and find them and apply. So all the best to everyone who is aspiring. In coming to my future goals and aspirations, I want to be a part of elite research labs in artificial intelligence and put my skills to good use. And some of the organizations I would like to be part of are Google Brain, Neuralink, etc. So finally, I would also like to thank Education Future Group for pulling it off in these tough times, because there were 8,000 applicants, and I'm sure it would have been very hard for them to shortlist all applicants. And also I would like to thank them for providing me this opportunity to share my experience to fellow students. Thank you.